Hey Ronnie, do you think you're the best gimbal? Yo, you should subscribe. If you haven't, let's roll that intro and I think that will change your mind. Hi, I'm Martin Caroy, filmmaker. I decided as a kid that I want to make movies. To make people laugh, think, creating a positive impact. I worked in the film industry. Then I started my business to create my films. We ride, freedom. If you search me on Google, nothing happens. Yet. So I've got the brand new DJI RSC2 Pro Combo here. Let me tell you this, I've been waiting for this a long time. Even before they announced it, there were some information leaked. I got super excited. I immediately put my other gimbal on the marketplace, which was a Zhiyun crane-free lab. And luckily I could sell it, and now I have this babe right here. So in this video I'm going to open this box, set the gimbal up, and give you my first impressions. Now there will be another video coming up, which will be tips and tricks with this gimbal and this Pro Combo package. I'm so excited that I can't even describe. This is why I want this moment to last longer. But sooner or later, I need to open it. Definitely. Feels way better. Hey babe. First opening of the box. Okay. All right. Let me just put this box nicely in the composition, you know. So both of these Pro Combos comes with this nice case, protective case and carrying case. Yeah, let me just show you all the sides of it. Because with the unboxing videos, this is what you're supposed to do. Some cool details that I want to show you on the case. We got this Ronin and we got DJI Pro there. The materials used to make this case feel really good, let me tell you that. The weight is not much. Let's see what else is in the package. Now this is probably the most exciting part of every unboxing video. I'm just guessing here, but probably this is why you clicked on the video to see these. So kids, gather around the television because I'm going to tell you the tale of the DJI RSC2 Quick Start Guide version 1.0. Getting started. A. Downloading the DJI Ronin app. And I've got a call right now. Hey Dad. Puss. For more information about the DJI RSC2, please visit www.dji.com. Let's put these back in the box where they belong and not open that ever again. So this is what I was seeing before. It will be more epic once I remove this. Now let me show you what we got here. So basically we got the tripod. It feels heavier. I think this is the original Ronin S tripod. So let's just put it here because we might want to assemble it sooner or later. Now we got another accessory, which is the mounting plate. And we got the phone holder right here. And we got the focus motor. So let's open the upper part of it. So let's see, what do we have here. Let's pull out everything from here too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got the Raveneye image transmission module. It actually looks like, how is that called? RoboCop. RoboDog. And we got the little parts. This thing, let's open every single small package. Oops, breaking on first attempt. So we got all these parts, which are for the focus motor. So this is completely empty. Where's the gimbal? That's the ultimate question, right? And this is actually not scripted at all. But I don't know. I want this to be an experience that I experienced with you guys. So let's open it. Oh yeah. Now this is probably how you should open it up for the first time. Damn, I'm getting so excited, my heart is pumping. And this is how it looks like folded. Now before we unfold it, let's just put it here. and I can tease you a little bit. Very, very, very nice. Finally, we have a picture how to fold the gimbal to put it in this case. How good is that? Now let's see what else is in here. I'm guessing we got the cables. This is a very neat way to organize the cables. Again, how cool is that? If you're organized like me, you will enjoy just looking at this gimbal. Let's see if I find a way to... So this is how you unfold it. You unlock it, and then you just pull it up, and then... Wow. Okay, all right. Let's put the tripod on there. It already feels amazing, let me tell you that. Let's unlock the axis, which is as easier as it can get. Yeah, we got another one here, and we got another one here. Obviously unlock, basically because we have 3 axes. And obviously we can lock it in this position too, so the mounting position. So basically you just use these to balance every single axis. Dude, it's so easy to move it. It's ridiculously easy. Honestly, I'm not exactly sure why we needed to wait till 2020 to have these features, which are called amazing, on a gimbal. But who cares, we finally have it. It's so freaking easy to hold it. I'm really surprised. The ergonomics, the build quality, the materials, everything is just amazing, like everything else with DJI. So let me tell you this, I'm going to charge this bad boy, finish setting it up with my camera, and then get back to you. So, according to my calculations and to official DJI tutorials, I should be set for my first ever testing of the RSC2. As you can see, I finished charging it, setting it up with my secondary camera, which is the Sony Alpha 6300. Balancing a camera with these knobs, it's crazy. It's a game changer, really. Oh, and also just the experience to set up your gimbal and balance the camera is so much better. Could be like, okay, I'm on a handheld rig and sometimes I want to switch to gimbals, and it's not an easy switch. Usually it's not an easy switch and you need to balance it and stuff. Just look at how easy it is to put on and off the camera. There's this switch, boom. You click the button, that's it. Putting it back on. Yeah, let me show you how easy it is to remove an accessory. Again, a knob, putting it back on. I wanted to see how big the impact is of these changes on this new generation gimbal. And so far I'm blown away. I haven't even turned it on. I haven't even used any of the features. And let me tell you this, I'm super duper excited to see how this image transmission module works. I can see so many creative ways that you can use this image transmission if it works fair. Because with the Crane-Free Lab, the image transmission was terrible, like terrible, really terrible. It didn't work at all. It wasn't worth using it. Now there's another thing which I'm super excited about. It's the front dial here. Now you can use the front dial to control a number of things. You can use it for focus control, electronic focus control, or follow focus control. Let's turn on this gimbal. So pushing the power button. Oh, I think I haven't mentioned so far in the video that it has a screen. So the gimbal is turned on. Let's just see if it's working fully. Yeah, quickly let's try out the other modes. So right now I'm testing the POV mode. Pan tilt follow. Yeah, it's basically the pan follow with the tilting. The movement of the camera, the movement of the gimbal just feels a lot more smoother. It's crazy. It's crazy how responsive it is. And it's the default settings. And man, it's super smooth. I knew it's been improved. I just didn't know this much. And the first thing I will try out is the image transmission with the Force Mobile and actual recording. You need to turn on the Raveneye separately, which is really good. On the Crane-Free Lab, it turned on automatically and you needed to turn it off in every single time you turned on the gimbal. Nonsense. Let's see how well the application works. So I'm using an iPhone SE 2nd generation. I've got the device. Let's connect. So far, connecting to the gimbal, activating the gimbal, updating the firmware, works pretty well. Works perfectly, actually. And I'm going to connect to the Raveneye, and for that you need to locate the Raveneye Wi-Fi, connect to it, and we already got the image. And let's quickly, oh yeah, I want to see the Force Mobile with the image transmission, how well it performs, what's the lag. So let's see that. I will go into the Force Mobile mode, enable it, and holy shit. Now this works perfectly. It's ridiculous. Hey, what's up? Imageception, right? So I want to test out the active track. Let's select something in the middle. You can see that it's recognizing my face. So it selected my face. I will just put it here so you will be able to see. Now we had active track before. It used the phone here and it used the phone's image and communicated with the gimbal. Now we're actually using the image from the camera, the image transmission from the camera for the active track. And man, I'm blown away. I'm blown away how good that feature is. So you will be able to see the lag. Now this is with now recording, and let's oh man, so now it's recording. I expected more lag than this. And this means I can finally do those creative shots that I always dreamed of, and it will be so easy to do it. Let's see with the gimbal movement, right? I would only use a mobile for an external monitor if there's no other way to see it on the screen. No lag is always better than a little bit of lag. And here's the big but. There's a lot of scenarios when you're not able to see what the camera captures. And in that case, it's super useful. It's definitely useful when you're framing your shot, and you can use the joystick to, hey there, imageception. I'm beyond satisfied with this gimbal, and can't wait to test it out more and put it into more uses and just test it, and can't wait to test it with my main camera. So altogether, just the general performance of the application is perfect. It works perfectly. The reason why I'm saying this is because with Zhiyun, it wasn't like that at all. Just connecting to the gimbal, sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. Again, it was with the same phone, the iPhone. Basically, just my general opinion about the Zhiyun and the DJI thing. A lot of times Zhiyun comes up with a gimbal with brand new features that we haven't seen at all in the gimbal market. But half of them are not working, and I'm not exaggerating. The image transmission on the Zhiyun Crane3 Lab didn't work. The application, the mobile application, which you mainly use to connect to your gimbal, and obviously the image transmission, didn't work quite as well. For me, DJI won the game. Hands down, they won. So let me tell you this, from now on, I will definitely be a DJI brand faithful user and customer. So DJI, if you're watching this, let's talk about maybe working together on this channel. So anyways guys, I just wanted to do a quick video unboxing this beauty and just giving my general first impressions of the gimbal. Now if you're looking for tutorials, DJI have tutorials and they are perfect and you should watch them, so why should I make duplicate content? But be sure to subscribe, because there will be another video, a super exciting and interesting video, which is about all the creative shots that you can do thanks to these brand new features on these gimbals. And that video is coming soon, let me tell you that. Running. Freeze all motor functions. Good boy. No, running!